Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we'll be talking about your network access server, the NAS. In this particular case, we're talking about the Buffalo TeraStations. We have one now. It's about 18 terabytes of storage. It can go onto 3 different networks, and let's talk a little bit more about this wonderful storage device that you might need at your home. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So this is the Buffalo TeraStation TS5410 Delta November, and basically it hooks up to your home local area network, and it allows you to have a backup facility, so now you can copy things and safely save them. This is a tiered array. Now you can set it up as a RAID 0, a RAID 1. We're not going to go into what all the different RAIDs are, but basically it comes set up to be a RAID 1 mirroring array. It means you have 2 hard drives in there, they're each 4 terabytes, and one drive mirrors the other. So when you write to the device, it writes to both drives. If one drive fails, it's all the data has been already copied real time on the other drive, and now you can replace the drive and reboot. This is also a 4-bay system, so you can have 2 sets of arrays or a 4-drive array. And what we have in ours is we came with the basic 2 4-terabyte drives, and we've added 2 12-terabyte drives, so we have 2 different RAID 1 arrays. And this works out really nice because we've been able to create folders. So we've been able to organize our 1 terabyte of music, 1 terabyte of family photos, 1 terabyte of stuff we don't want to lose, as well as backing up all the computers. So it works out really well. And then I also have a partition, which is the 10 gigabyte partition, which is for the video. And we've just been making some forays into 4K, which are about 100 times larger than a normal 1K file. But anyway, we have a lot of data, and we've been backing up all of our YouTube videos. Hard to believe that according to YouTube, in our playlist we have 1,642 videos, but anyway, they're all backed up on the server. The nice thing about this Buffalo server, it comes already set up to go. You hook it up to the network, you go to a web address, you configure it very quickly, and it operates seamlessly. Not a problem at all. And if you've got a Macintosh, you can do your timed backups and other stuff. But Luann's using it, her partition, with her Windows boxes and wireless in the house, so it's nice to have. It also has the capability that you can put this on 3 different local area networks. I worked for a company a few years ago, and it was connected to 3 different networks: the research network, the development network, and the production network, so that depending on where you worked in the company, you could still get to the device and your networks were all separate. Anyway, it's a good device. It was out of the box. It's got a metal case, a plastic front, very well construction. Took about 5 minutes to get it out of the box, plugged in and up and running. It took several days to load stuff on it. But anyway, it's a good device. I don't get any money from telling you about this, but I know that a lot of you are producing videos and you're wondering, gee, my 1 terabyte drive on my hard drive is getting awful full. What do I do? Well, here you go. Here's your solution. We were able to take all our pictures off of memory sticks and go find them throughout the house and get them all in one centralized location, knowing that it's all safely backed up. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know it's been kind of long-winded for a technical discussion, but the network access server by Buffalo, I like it. Several of my customers recommended it, and we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.